Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 4220E. This printer is multifunctional printer, it's multitask, 3-in-1. You can copy, scan, and print from this printer. This printer and laptop are connected together via USB cable. If you check my videos, we connected this printer via Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi network, and with USB cable. I want to show you how to scan your document from this printer to computer. To scan your document, open up the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left corner. Go to HP Smart App and select scan. You can scan from this printer using HP Smart App or Window Scanner. So select scan from HP Smart App. The next thing you need to do is you need to select source. Select glass scanner from the source. Scanner glass. Then preset, you scroll down and select documents. Scan the entire area. Output is colored. Resolution maximum is 1200 dpi. Is currently in 300 dpi. Then you can select preview or scan. Want to select scan. This document is scanning. And this is the document we scanned. If you are not happy with it, you select the 3 dots to delete it or edit. So if you select the 3 dots, you edit it, replace or delete. If you want to scan the second document, then you select plus. I want us to scan this document using ADF. So remove this document and stick the second document you want to scan on top of the ADF scanner. Make sure the document is facing up. Then you go to source, change it to document feeder. So select source as a document feeder. Preset, select document. Page size, select scan entire area. Output, color. You can also select A4. Resolution 300 dpi from ADF. Then you select scan. Here we go. This is the document we scanned, the second one. Then you remove it. This is the document we scanned and it's showing us here and the first one. So now we have 2 pages document. This is the first one and this is the second one. First of all, you need to save this document. Select save. Then you select PDF and select save. It will save this document in the computer. So you decide where you want to save this document. Want to save this in downloads. Select save. Your file has been saved now. So this document is saved. If you want to print it out, then you select print. You wait for the printer to be ready and the printer is ready. Then you select portrait, then select A4, full page. If you scroll down to more options, you select print on both sides, long edge and color. Select colored and select OK. Then you select print. Now this document is going to print out. Now take this document, go back in, then put the document back to the paper tray, then you select continue. There we go. So this is the document we scanned and also printed it out double-sided manually. Now this document we scanned, if you want to send it to somebody, you can select share, or you go to your email address and attach it. So if you select share, you select PDF, then they give you option for you to share this document via WhatsApp or Outlook. Select Outlook, then you type the email address of the person you want to send this to. You select the person's email address, type the message hi, and click send. Now this document is sending to my inbox and document sent. So our job here is done. This is how to scan documents from the printer to the computer, print it out, share this document with somebody. Likewise, save this document. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.